Again, neediness is the #1 attraction killer. So, if you need, okay, kapag maramdaman niya that you need her just to feel happy, just to feel fulfilled, just to feel validated, you need something from her, doon na siya mag-start mag-repel, okay? Doon na siya, hindi na siya ma-attract sa'yo, mare-repel mo na siya. Okay? So, the majority of men fail this feminine test. Na kapag hindi nag-reply yung isang babae, ayan na yung mga pinagkagawa. Because, again, torpe, nice guys sila. They failed this kind of test because they are being needy. Na hindi, wala silang sariling mundo. Na ginagawa nilang mundo yung babae. Naka-attach sa babae yung happiness, yung fulfillment nila. Yun yung typical nice guy. Typical torpe guy. Sobrang attached sa girl. So, dahil pinapakita mo na wala kang ibang ginagawa sa buhay mo kundi kunin ang pansin niya. Kasi constantly needing her attention shows weakness. So kapag pinapakita mo na wala kang ibang ginagawa sa buhay mo kundi kunin yung pansin niya, the lack of structure, purpose, and self-sustainable life will repel her. Pag naramdaman niya na wala kang structure sa buhay mo, wala kang purpose kundi siya lang, at wala kang self-sustainable world, ibig sabihin, hindi mo kayang, wala, again, the word itself, self-sustainable. Kung nanonood ka ng mga past videos ko, dinescribe ko na sa inyo kung ano yung self-sustainable world.